I'm Caris. I studied A-levels at Coleg Cambria. I did maths, French, law and Welsh bac. I'm currently studying law at Cambridge and hopefully in the future I want to become a solicitor. So Welsh bac does give you UCAS points and it can go towards university entrance. I know friends who used it as a supplementary A-level grade to get them into university. It's one of the main reasons why my sister was able to get into university as well, because she used it as one of her A-levels. And even though some universities don't accept it as an A-level, a lot of them do like to see it on a personal statement. I used it on my personal statement because it's evidence of the type of skills that they're looking for, time management skills, research skills, etc. And it's really relevant experience to put on your university applications. In year 12, we did the Global Citizenship Challenge, which was an individual project based on researching and analysing a topic that's relevant to global affairs and global issues. And then we did the Employability and Enterprise Challenge, which was a group project where we had to come up with our own business idea and present it as a business model. And then in year 13, we did the big individual project, which is our individual research-based, sort of like a mini dissertation that you would do at university. And we chose our own topic that is relevant to an area that we study. So I chose a topic about law because I was studying law and I was planning on doing that at university as well. So it was relevant to a subject that I'm passionate about. I think the Global Citizenship Challenge was really good at developing critical thinking skills because a lot of the work is about engaging with sources and analysing whether they're reliable or trustworthy and up to date, and it teaches you a lot of engaging critically with the things that you read. The Enterprise Challenge was really good for developing teamwork skills because we had to work in a group of about 5 or 6, and as well some people are elected leaders, so it was a good way to develop leadership skills if you were in that position. And then the one that I found most helpful was the individual project because it's research based, and that is a really big skill that I need at university. So I found that it was quite useful in preparing me for university because a lot of the assignments that I do are very similar in structure. I have to reference, I have to research.